In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to change font size in Figma. If you're new to Figma or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to look for so you can confidently adjust text sizes without breaking your layout. We'll start inside your file, select the text you want to update, and then make the change from the right-hand panel using the typography controls. I'll also share a few simple tips to help you work faster and keep things consistent. First, open Figma and load the design file you're working on. This can be a local draft or a project in your workspace. Make sure you're in the Design tab, not Prototype, so the right-hand sidebar shows editing options. Zoom in to the area with the text you plan to modify so you can clearly see the result of your change as you make it. Next, select the text you want to change. You can click once on the text layer to select the entire element, which is perfect if you want every character in that box to scale together. If you only want part of the sentence to change, double-click to enter text editing mode, then drag to highlight just the words you're updating. With the text selected or highlighted, look to the right side panel. Find the typography section. This is where Figma groups settings like font family, weight, size, line height, and letter spacing. We'll focus on the size control. Now, change the font size. In the size field within typography, you'll see a number followed by the unit, typically pixels. Click into that field. As soon as you adjust it, you'll see the text update on your canvas in real time so you can gauge readability and spacing immediately. Keep an eye on nearby elements to ensure the new size still fits your layout and doesn't cause unexpected wrapping. You can change the number in a few precise ways. Type a new value directly, like 16, 24, or 48 for an exact size. Use the up and down arrow keys to nudge the value 1 point at a time for fine-tuning. Hold Shift while pressing the arrows to jump in larger increments, which is handy for quick comparisons. If you overshoot, just press Command or Control plus Z to undo. Aim for sizes that align with your design scale, so headings, subheads, and body text feel consistent across the project. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.